Winning government from opposition is the hardest task in politics. I know that. There's been 5 changes of government since Henry Bolte won in 1955. It's like climbing Mount Everest without oxygen. And here in Victoria, Labor have been in government for 19 of the past 23 years. It's like doing it in a blizzard all backwards.
Backwards in a blizzard with oxygen run low. A tacky, tactless lizard is throttled by the snow. Climbing to the summit, a tear across his cheek. This slimy hack will plummet, feared lost within a week.